there, it's Perry with Paper Crafting Threads. Thanks for joining me. Today, I have a graduation money holder that's completely customizable and no graduation stamp set necessary. So let's get started. Start with an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper. I'm going to make it 7 inches by 8.5. Score the short side at 3.5. Take the remaining strip, cut it down to 7 inches. Score it at 1/4 inch. Cut at 1/2 inch. Score at 1/4 inch. Cut at 1/2 inch. And one more time. Score at 1/4. Cut at 1/2. Take an 8.5 by 11 inch piece of vellum. Score the short side at 2.5. And 6.5. Score the long side at 1.5. And 10.5. Die cut the year, frame, and stars. Slice off 4 narrow strips from a scrap of cardstock. Glue these narrow strips on here to give this some height. Trim off any excess. Add dots of glue to the numbers and stack them to give them some height. Fold the card base in half. Burnish the score line. Take your frame, lay it where you want it to go. Ink your sentiment with Versamark ink. Sprinkle with white embossing powder. And heat set. Adhere the frame. Dots of glue on the back of the numbers. The stars. I have a piece of vellum that measures 3 1/4 by 7 inches. And use an oval or circle punch to create a notch. Then fold the 1/2 inch strips on the 1/4 inch score lines. Add glue to the insides of the strips. And insert the vellum edges and burnish with a bone folder. The bottom section I'm adding the glue directly to the vellum piece. It will prevent getting glue on my scissors when I trim off the excess. Then add a thin line of glue on the back side of the strips and press to adhere on the inside upper flap. Add your liner and more stars. Slide in the funds for the graduate. Make a matching vellum envelope. Remove all 4 corners. Miter the flap edges. Fold on the score lines. Round the corners of the flaps. And seal. And there you have it, a DIY graduation money holder card. Find written instructions over on my blog at. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. Bye!